Welcome back, guys. I have missed you. It's been a while since I've vlogged, and this feels good. And I'm on this amazing rafting trip with my very good old friend, Caspian. We're just hanging out, rafting down the Gulkana River, making the most of the last part of the summer. I'm out of quarantine now, obviously. Things are good. I took the COVID test in my local town. They're actually providing it for free, which is awesome. You can just go and get tested at the community center whenever you want. I tested negative for the virus. That was all squared away. And I've just been taking it easy for about 5 weeks now. I haven't had a proper summer in my home in Alaska in like 3 years. That is such a treat to be here and to be able to spend time when it's warm outside and the sun is shining and this, like, look at what a gorgeous day it is right now. I'm just kind of sitting here on standby waiting for Royal Caribbean to shoot me an email and let me know when they need me again. And until then, I am just soaking in life. And I swear, like, getting off that cruise ship and the whole transition period, I mean, you guys have seen the video, I hope, at least if you haven't watched the video where I flew home from the cruise ship, it was like just the last one. I'll put a card like here, I think, or maybe here. Oh, we've also got some friends with us. We've got Cody pulling up the rear, and then we've got Annika and Julia way up there in front. You guys will probably get to meet them later. But yeah, we've just got some friends. We're on the river. Let's go rafting together, guys. Let's just have a good time and chill and enjoy the last moments of this beautiful Alaskan summer before it all turns into snow and freezes. My friend's camp is made. We have set up the tents and eaten dinner, and I'm tired. It was a long day, and I'm gonna head to bed. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Oh. Good morning, folks. Good morning, Caspian.
Morning. That's a bendy one.
It is a bendy one. Oh, yeah. Man, it is a gorgeous day today. I love summertime in Alaska. Who's excited for day 2? I am. Caspian, are you excited for day 2?
I am very excited for day 2.
All right, I gotta put away my nice camera soon. We're going through like water that could splash it, which would be bad. It's not very weather sealed. Ugh, guys, I love Alaskan summertime. Today is probably going to be the most interesting day of the trip. We've got a really big canyon section of this river coming up. While I don't think we're gonna be going through that section of the canyon, it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna put the drone up and get some cool shots of that area. Alaska weather is notoriously unpredictable, so having a day like this with barely any clouds in the sky and a gorgeous amount of sunshine and a perfect temperature and everything is just, it's a rare thing that we don't usually get all the time in Alaska. And it's definitely something that we appreciate very much right now. All right, so we made it here to the canyon section, and essentially this whole part of the river is just a bunch of rapids. It starts out as class 2 here, which isn't too bad. We could make it through class 2, but I've heard that farther down this portion of the river, there's some class 3 and class 4 rapids. And our little double kayak with all of our gear packed inside it is not gonna be able to make that probably without capsizing. I mean, we might be able to make it, but we're just not gonna risk that right now. So we're doing what's called a portage instead, which really just means we're hiking around this challenging section of the river with our boats and all of our gear, and then we can get to the other side and actually put our boats back in the water and stuff. But anyway, this portage is about a 1/4 mile, and I will check in with you guys when I get to the other side with my gear. See you in a second, guys. Alright. Let's do it. No turning back now, buddy. This is happening. We're freaking, we're full, man. We made it, bro. Yeah. That was awesome.
That was incredible.
It's so full of water, man. It's like...
I wasn't used to that paddle.
Oh yeah? Is that what happened?
And I was worried, yeah, but like I think I probably got some pretty sweet footage with it, so
cool.
I'd say it was worth it.
Worth it, okay. So me and Caspian decided to run the river, and we made it. We took on a ton of water, but we actually made it through the rapids with an empty boat after we had gotten all our gear here. We made it, guys. That was so much fun. Anyway, we were gonna put the drone up, but it actually looks like it got a little waterlogged, and one of the dry bags wasn't exactly working super well. Hopefully the drone still works. We're gonna do some testing with it when we get back home. That's just how it goes, folks. You lose equipment sometimes. Isn't that right, Caspian?
That's right.
Poor guy, lost his drone. So anyway, we're gonna get our gear packed back up in the boats. That's what they're called. Boats. And then we're gonna continue heading down the river. We've got about 7 miles of class 2 rapids ahead of us. We're gonna try to strap it down really tight and hope we don't get a bunch more water in the boat. See you guys in a bit once we get on the river. All right, guys. It's officially a few hours later. We are working on getting camp set up and everything. I have been working on setting up my tent. It's about halfway there right now. After that, I'm gonna grab some dinner and socialize with my lovely friends. We actually picked up a couple people that we just ran into on the river today at the canyon. I'm gonna get some bug spray. There's a lot of bugs. I'll be right back. But guys, that canyon trip today was incredible. I'm so glad that like once we emptied our stuff out of the inflatable kayak, me and Caspian decided to run that portion of the river together. That was exhilarating. It's the biggest rapids I've ever been in before, but we made it without flipping over, which I can't say for some people, but summertime in Alaska is really weird because normally, you know, we've got all the tourists that come up on the cruise lines and, you know, just flying up here to vacation here and stuff like that. And that's great. I love meeting new people, but you also don't really have any control over who those people are necessarily, and you can get some unsavory characters during the summertime. But guys, the thing about this summer with COVID and everything, the entire tourism industry is pretty much shut down. There's no tourists up here. I mean, there's a few, you know, there's a few people that have, you know, braved the airlines and flown up here to come on vacation. But the large majority of tourists just aren't coming to Alaska this year, which means that we, as local citizens of Alaska, have essential free reign over any part of the state we want to go to. So beautiful parts of the state like this and many others that would normally be totally crowded with tourists are just empty right now. Like it sucks for the local businesses and stuff. Like there's a lot of lost dollars and lost revenue because of this. But for people like me that don't have any real stakes in the game, it's awesome. You know, we get to go on rafting trips and not have to worry about bumping into people, and all the campgrounds are open and all the spots aren't taken. It's just great. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do the rain fly now. It could rain. You see those clouds over there in the distance? I'm not sure, but I think they could be rain clouds. So I'm not taking any chances tonight. All right, that should be good enough for tonight. And now it's time for some food. Well, it started raining like really hard outside. So we all ran into our tents, and I think that's gonna cap the night off. That's it. Day 2. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. All right, guys. Good morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning now. Today is the last day. So I'm gonna get up, get some breakfast made really quick, and we're aiming to get on the river in about an hour. So gotta break down camp and get packed back up. That rain last night was pretty intense. I'm gonna dry off my rain fly now so that my tent doesn't get soaked when I have to pack it up. Done with breakfast. Now we're gonna break down the tent and get everything packed up, and then we're gonna hit the river. Last day, guys. It kind of sucks. I hate it when trips have to come to an end like this. We all packed up, Caspian?
We are all packed up.
Oh yeah? I don't know how this guy does it. It's a talent that I do not possess. Guys, this trip has been amazing. The weather's been perfect for the entire time. It's just been easygoing and smooth water and good times with friends and just fantastic stuff. But yeah, like I was saying yesterday, we've got such a unique opportunity this summer specifically as locals to spend time like this outdoors and just enjoy the beautiful, majestic landscape that we live in. And I really want to take this opportunity this summer when the state is virtually empty of tourists to make a bunch of videos. I've got lots of plans in the works. I've got lots of cool ideas for videos in the future. It's gonna be awesome. I'm really looking forward to sharing some of this content with you guys while I'm just kind of waiting for things to happen with Royal Caribbean. I hope that you will find it interesting because I enjoy making them. We've got a few more miles left until we get to the car that we've set up to be able to drive back to where we started. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to paddling so that Caspian doesn't wear himself out. And I'll see you guys when we get to the car in just a few hours. So see you then. Magic transition. Guys, check this out. We're going like right under the Alaskan oil pipeline. This thing goes all the way from up on the north oil slopes of Alaska all the way down south so that they can like load it up on tankers and stuff. Going under the pipeline. That's a lot of oil, folks. All right, Caspian thinks we're almost there. The people that are with us that have like a map or whatever said that we're only about a mile away. I don't think we're lost. Oh wait, actually I can, that's a semi.
Might be the end
that's
right
a truck. Yeah, I can hear a truck. We're getting close, guys. I'm pretty sure I can hear the highway. Exciting stuff. We're almost there. We made it, guys. 52 miles, right?
That's right.
52 miles through water. It was a really fun trip. Great times were had by all, and yeah. What else is there to say, guys? 52 miles of water, 3 days. What more can you ask for? Are you not entertained?
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one.
if you made it all the way to the end of this video, you're amazing. Thanks for watching all of it. And I'm just gonna quickly let you know that I started a Discord server. If you don't know what Discord is, it's like a chat community that we can all kind of hang out in and talk about life and play games together and just kind of be a community. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, I put the link in the description. It's like literally right there. It's the first line. It says Discord link, and then it's got a little link. So click that if you want to hang out with me and the rest of the members of the community. Aside from that, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.